So when you put your string line on, you want it to be actually on the mark in the middle of this rail. So what you do is you put a string above, so that when you put your string underneath, you can pull that down until you get it in the center. If that makes sense to you, I'll show you again. So you put one string this side and one string that side. So when you pull on it, you can get your, because we're looking for the center. So we run this up to here, because this one here that we've put this mark on is actually the top. So what we need to do is measure down half the distance. Now watch this, just pinch your builder string and pull it forward while you pull tension out on that one. You don't pull it towards you, because sometimes if you've caught a little welding burn in it, it'll snap and you'll punch yourself in the face. So we'll go down to 30, because it's 60 mil rail, so we come down 30 mil to be in the middle. And we put that knot in it that you learnt earlier on. So now we have that, and we pinch that like that. Okay, if you can pick this rail up for me please, so we can demonstrate what we're going to do. And that is in the center of this one. You know what they say, you know, measure, cut, measure twice, cut once. Okay, so now when we weld this in shortly, we're going to be looking for that string to be in the center of this. And that's how easy it is. So we'll weld, tack, tack, and then the next one, when it lifts up, it'll go center to center, center to center, and it'll be perfect.